Few days ago, there was a little panic among authors because Amazon released a new content guideline that would require book publishers to disclose whether their books are written by AI or not. And let's look at the update. The update says we are currently monitoring the rapid evolution of generative AI and the impact it is having on reading, writing, and publishing, and we remain committed to providing the best possible shopping, reading, and publishing experience for our authors and customers. To that end, beginning today, that was on 6th, when you publish a new title or make a disto and republish an existing title through KDP, you'll be asked whether your content is AI generated. Then let's learn about what AI generated and AI assisted content are all about. Then it's artificial intelligence, that's AI content, text, images, or translations. We require you to inform us of AI generated content. We have text, images, or translations when you publish a new book or make edits to and republish an existing book through KDP. AI generated images include cover and interior images and artwork. You are not required to disclose AI assisted content. We distinguish between AI generated and AI assisted content as follows. AI generated content. We define AI generated content as text, images, or translations created by an AI-based tool. If you used an AI-based tool to create the actual content, whether text, image, you created the content yourself and used AI-based tools to edit, refine, error check, or otherwise improve that content, whether text or images, then it is considered AI assisted and not AI generated. Similarly, if you used AI-based tool to brainstorm and generate ideas, but ultimately created the text or images yourself, this is also considered AI assisted. This was just the latest update that Amazon released. But what if I tell you not to panic, because I've got a secret $1,000 per month writing books on Amazon KDP killer strategy that can enable you to rewrite your books manually as fast as possible. One good thing about this secret $1,000 per month writing books on Amazon KDP killer strategy is that you may not need to check any plagiarism, because as you are writing the book or any other content, you'll be seeing the uniqueness of your written documents, and this makes it impossible for anyone to lay claim to your book or your content. This method I'm going to teach you today can also enhance your work as a blogger. That is, if you're a blogger or a freelancer, this particular method I'm going to teach you today is going to actually enhance your work, because it will enable you to write plagiarism-free contents within the shortest possible time. I know what this thing means. That is more money to your account, because you have more work to do. You have more deliverables to take care of. As usual, my name is Linus, and in this channel, I create videos that teach you different ways to make money online and scale your business. If you find this video as something you are interested in, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Your loyal support means the world to me, and I appreciate you being a part of my channel. And please, I beg you, remember, hitting the like button not only shows your appreciation, but also helps YouTube recommend this video to a broader audience who may need this type of valuable information. Now, having done all these things, let's go to that strategy that will take to your bank account. That system we're talking about today is, we call it writerapp.com. writerapp.com. It is a website that will definitely help us to rewrite our articles by ourselves manually. Remember the word manually. This thing is not done for you by any AI. You are the one to do all these things by yourself. This is the interface of the website we're going to use today. Now in this website, we have free account. We have the one that is a paid version. Now for that free account, these are some of the benefits you have. For free account here, you have is a $0 account. You have basic account access. You have only about 800 words long that you can write per time. You also have access to writing platform. Then you viewed word count statistics. That is, as you're writing, you are viewing them. Then as you're writing, you're also viewing the uniqueness. Then you have uniqueness checker. That is, as you are writing your article by yourself, you are going to be seeing how unique your book is. Then we have progress report. That is our progress monitor. As you're writing, you will be seeing how far the percentage level that you have gone. And also from new article, you're going to form new article from old article. That is what you're going to copy online. You're going to form a new article from it. Now you also have a paid version. I advise you go with the free version. So by the time you start getting money, you can upgrade to a paid version. Now I already have an account here, because if you click, I'm not going to teach you how to start creating an account here, but it's just a very simple process. If you click create an account here, it's going to open up to a new page, and that new page you're going to only add your email address. Like if I add my email address here, then I will now click yes, send me my login detail. That's if you put your email address here, you now click send me my login details. But for the fact that I've already signed up here, so what I'm going to do right now is to go back here and click on login. I only have to log in here. Then this is the login button. I'll click on login. Then it will take me to my dashboard. I also click on login. Then click here to go to your dashboard. Now this is how my dashboard looks like. This is where the whole magic works. Then assuming now you have gone online to get some contents that will make up your book. Probably you are writing a book on health, on a particular topic on health. Then on that particular topic on health, you have gone online to get different articles that will make up different topics of your book. So what you have to do is you copy each of those articles and paste here and start getting a unique article one by one. Now I already have a particular book I'm writing. I'm going to open that book here now. I've gotten different articles that make up my book. Now what I want to do here, I want to do is to copy this particular article. Then I'll copy it, come to writerapp.com, paste it here. You see this place, say paste in your existing article. You paste it here. Then once you paste it here, you come down here and write let's simplify your article. Click it. Once that is clicked, it takes you to another page. And this is the interface you are going to see. This particular article that you pasted here has been split into different segments. These are the segments that all these things have been split into. And you can see how beautiful this thing looks like, because it's going to give you a very clear view of how this article looks like, and it's going to be easy for you to start reading and rewriting whatever you have here. Now the first thing you will have to do is to come here. You see this place? This is exactly where you'll be writing. As you are writing, it will be appearing on the right hand side of this website. Now if you look at this place, you see original article word count. We only have about 448 articles that we just copied, whereas we have a maximum of 800 articles per time. So now what you have to do now is to read each of these sentences you have here and start writing them the way you want. Like in this place, we have Deep within the intricate tapestry of the human body lies a hidden world, one that has remained veiled in mystery until recent time. Then you can begin by this. Inside the complicated human body is a world that is hidden. And has remained mysterious until recently. Now, if you look at what I'm writing, so what you need to do here, for this thing to come up here, you come and click let's rebuild your article and refresh your statistics. Then you come here. You see, the article that you have written here has actually occurred here because you clicked let's rebuild your article and refresh your statistics. Then this is the written article, and the percentage you have here is 95%. This article is 95% unique, and you have written it by yourself. Then you can also come to the second line here. See, this invisible universe known as the microbiome holds the key to our well-being and vitality, orchestrating a symphony of life far beyond our widest imagination. You can write all these things by yourself without even putting all these big grammar that are here. So in this case, we can have, but before that, you know that this one is another line. So we put full stop here, then refresh, then click here again, then the full stop will definitely appear here. Now, what you need to do again, you go to the second one, you now say this invisible universe. You can now say this world that is not seen is called microbiome, and it has the key to our wellness. You know, I'm just writing because if I should calm down, and because I don't want this video to be much, that's why I'm just say this word that is not seen is called microbiome, and it has the key to our wellness. You now have 92%. And this is what you keep writing until this place is filled up. If this place is filled up, that is by the time you finish writing all these places, all of them, each of these places, you can come and write, you continue, then it's finish. When this place gets filled up, all you need to do is to copy here. You copy it, maybe by the time you copy it, you can go here, I'll paste it, then continue. Going to continue, you come and click here. Where would you like to go to? Click this place. Where would you like to go to? So that a new page, a fresh page will open. Once you click it like this, then you see so many options. Write an article, upgrade to full membership, leave a suggestion, support, log out. Then click on the write an article. And once you click on write an article, you see the thing has come up again. Let's assume even if you have copied 800 words in the first instance, then when you are done with it, you copy another 800 words and paste it. You copy another 800 words and paste it. At least by the time you keep doing this thing, at least you see that at least 3-4 hours, you see you might have actually finished writing a particular book. And also, I'm going to do a video because I've just had a series of, sources through which you can get content. Then, like I said before, if you get those content, each of them, you copy them, put here, write by yourself. All these things are not written by machine. Though, if you pay for upgraded version of this, you can also have some AIs that will actually help you to do it. But I know with time, if you start using this one, with time, you get used to it. Just start typing small. Before you know it, you get used to it. So that's exactly what you have to do. If you have gotten value in this video, thank you for watching. If you have any comment, please go to the comment section and put it. As I said before, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to also ring the notification bell so that anytime I drop another video, YouTube will definitely notify you of such video. And more importantly, please share this video to your friend, share this video to your family members, to those people who are actually thinking of how to make sure that they stay afloat with this recent update by Amazon. Please do all these things. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching the next video. Bye for now.